Okay, so next I want to show you how Paste Special works. So I have opened the Paste Special workbook, and the first thing that I'll show you is how to take this table and paste it, but with only the values, not the formatting. So I'll switch over to my VBE, and I've got my procedure there called Copy Data. So it's going to copy my entire table for me. But then what I want to do is I want to paste just the values, and I'll paste them inside of, let's say, cell E5. So I will start on a new line, and I'll go ahead and type in my range E5 dot paste special. There's my method there. Now when I press the space bar, you'll notice that a menu pops up. So if you're familiar with the Paste Special option that's inside of Excel, you might be used to this, where you can paste formats. Let me scroll down in this a bit. Paste values is there, paste formulas. I want to paste values. So I'll go ahead and double click there, or click on it and hit tab, either way. And let me just start with that. So I'll go ahead and run this and switch back over to Excel. So you can see now in E5 through F15, there's my table, but without the formatting. It's just the values. All right, let me go ahead and hit escape and get rid of that because I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you how to transpose the data. So let me head on back to Visual Basic. And what I'll do here, if I still want to keep the values, that's fine. But now I'll add in a comma. And it's kind of hard to see, but I do have a tooltip that pops up. It's asking me for any more operations. And that's what I'm seeing now in this drop-down list. I don't want any of these special operations, so I'll press the comma button one more time. The next option I get is to skip blanks. So if there's a blank row or column in what I have selected to be copied, then it's not going to add a blank when I paste it. I'm going to bypass that, and that actually takes me to transpose, which is a little bit off the screen. Yes, I do want to transpose the data, and this is a true or false Boolean field, so I will go ahead and type in true. All right, so when I go ahead and run that and switch back over to Excel, you'll see now, instead of having my information in columns, they're now in rows. And you'll notice if you look at the original table, I have my dancing ants around them. I want to go ahead and turn off my cut copy mode. Let me go ahead and delete this and switch on back to Visual Basic. So I'm just going to add one more thing, and you learned this in the last lecture. I'm going to type in application.cut copy mode equals false. All right, so I'll go ahead and run this one more time. Switch over to Excel. My transposed information is there, and I no longer have my dancing ants. So Paste Special, if you normally use this feature inside of Excel, you may want to become familiar with it in VBA.